In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the MDiTek SOAP Builder to customize documentation by adding fields, selecting field types, creating options, and building the narratives available to providers during documentation. To begin, start in Patient Demographics, where you can locate SOAP Builder. From there, choose the specialty you'd like to configure. The SOAP Builder lets you customize the information you want to capture without changing the SOAP form itself. This allows each provider to have documentation fields that better match their specialty workflow and preferred terminology. The Builder is organized around the 4 main sections of the SOAP note: subjective, objective, assessment, and plan. When adding a new field, the first step is to decide which section that field belongs to. For this example, let's add a field to the subjective section. First, select Add Fields. Next, enter the name you want the provider to see when completing the SOAP note. For this example, use pain severity. Then set the field type as a drop-down. Once the field has been created, add the options that will appear for that field. For example, add mild, moderate, and severe. Now associate a narrative with each option. This is an important part of the SOAP Builder because the narrative determines how the selection will be written when it is incorporated into the clinical documentation. Instead of simply having the word moderate appear in the note, you can create a narrative such as, "The patient describes the current symptoms as moderate in severity." For mild, enter, "The patient describes the current symptoms as mild in severity." And for severe, use, "The patient describes the current symptoms as severe in severity." Once all of the narratives are complete, click Save Fields. From there, your custom field has been added. You can repeat this process to create additional fields throughout the subjective, objective, assessment, and plan sections. The MDiTek SOAP Builder gives you the flexibility to customize the documentation process around the provider, rather than requiring every provider to work from the exact same template. And that is the SOAP Builder. Thank you.